Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka right here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And this month, talking about traveling. When you're traveling around, you're going to start asking around because you don't know how to get here, you don't know how to get there. You might need to ask directions. Okay, if you don't have a GPS, 现在当然很多人有 GPS 可能很方便，但是如果没有的话，可能要地图啦，对不对？ We still go back to the traditional map. 请给我地图 Give me a map.
抢本爱踢土。
踢土被踢什么回？被踢逃啊？
不是踢土，
踢土就是地图吗？
地图
哦 sounds very cute. 抢本来踢土 All right.
海陆腔，地图，踢土。
哦，踢土 That's another dialect for map. All right. Then you might just say, I want to go here, I want to go there. 其实现在台湾有好多很棒的旅游地点哦。比如说，我想去海洋世界 I want to go to SeaWorld.
我想爱去。
我想爱去。
海洋世界。
哦，海洋世界 That's SeaWorld 海洋世界。或者呢是去一些游乐园啊 some amusement parks. All right.
游乐园。
游乐园 That's 游乐园 which is any amusement park. And again, 台湾有好多不一样的游乐园可以去参观去玩。or 比较有艺术气息一点的，就是去美术馆啦。I want to go to the Arts Museum 美术馆。
美术馆。
美术馆好像要吃米饭的地方，它其实是美术馆。OK， 美术馆 That's the Arts Museum. A favorite destination of mine is going down all the way down south to 恒春，其实我好喜欢去这里，垦丁啦、恒春啦，都很好玩哦。
对。
到恒春呢要多久时间 ？Sometimes you might ask that. You know, how long is it going to take to 恒春？
到恒春爱几久？
到恒春爱几久？
对。
OK， 所以到就是到，然后看去哪里？比如说要到台南，然后爱几久？
对。
爱几久 that means how long is it going to take? OK， 到恒春或到哪里要多少时间？然后呢，再开车啦，可能就会快没油了。所以呢，就要问说，附近有加油站吗 ？These are things you might ask, right? Is there a gas station nearby?
附近有加油站吗？
附近有加油站吗 ？OK， 如果不问的话，搞不好呢就要下来推车了。
我就会帮你讲加油，加油。
对，还是在加油哈。Yeah, you might have to get out the car, push the car, and Alice will say 加油，加油。And that's not what you want, all right? That does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什么太嘎？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.